Alright, the materials needed: some red hackle fibers, some silver oval tinsel, some black dubbing, some green dubbing, a black hackle, and some stacked bucktail, white. We've already got our flat tinsel on there for our tag. This is our oval tinsel for our ribbing. Take our red hackle fibers, tie them right on top of the hook. This is our tail. This may not look like green to you, but I like this color because it gives the fly more color contrast, and I think that's more important than the colors. There's our green butt. Now we put our block on there. Fill the body up here. It's a good looking body. And now we take our silver ribbing and come right up the middle of it. Bind everything down to the hook and give us a little flash. Okay, now we put our collar on. This is our black hackle. And we just wrap this right around, pulling it back as we go. Now we put a little wrap of thread right over the ends of it to make it go back, and it also gives us a little platform to put our wing on. And our wing we've already stacked. You stack it so the tips are even. So you want to make sure you get some good tight wraps on that head. A whip finisher. Put some glue on it later. There's your green butt skunk. Oh, I love that one.